on, guys. Eat man. One. When them find out boy you. So, why you look at the food so? Like a poison?
I know that. We're just not really hungry.
Wait there. You not hungry? Come here. You feel alright?
Thanks for tidying up my house for me.
At least me can do for you, baby girl.
How you feeling though?
Me? I'm feeling good. I'm a good man. Why you ask?
Because I'm concerned about your health. Plus the money we for do your surgery.
No worry about that, man. No worry about that. No worry.
So you have another source to get the money?
Not really. But God will provide.
God help those who help themselves. You think it can fall out of the sky?
Well, that would be nice.
I know say it work here.
Me know, Tonya. But that's a wish.
I still feel like I could try to take the money out of the trust funds.
Tonya, you can't touch that money there until you're 21. And even if you did have me don't want you trouble because of your money. Even if you could, me don't want you trouble for my sickness. No, sir.
What you talking about? You're my mother and you're sick.
Tony, me live my life already, alright? Your father left something for you, start your life. Me not deprive you of that.
Stop chat foolishness about deprive and live life already. You're a young woman, you know?
Well, not so young.
Young enough for man to look you though.
Yeah. What you know about man that look me, little girl?
George Connolly.
Then how would that?
The man will stop you and attack you the last time. One kill.
Before we get to all of that, Jenny, tell me, the girl that come check you yet? The bartender. Oh, boss. Well, not to worry, you know, because you want to see me have 2 more to come check you, but me make a link with you as soon as them link me for the directions. And if anything, little more we reason it over, yeah? Oh, by the way, what you doing? Well, maybe we could have done dinner. You know me in the mood for fish. Or liquor. Let's see.
Oh, him! Well, I don't have time for them foolishness there. I just flirt him with a flirt.
So why you ask about him?
Nothing, I'm just curious about him.
Okay, ma'am. It look like him curious too.
What do you mean? So wait there. Him ask about me?
Yep.
You serious?
I'm serious. Him come here a couple days ago.
So what him say? Tell me now.
Him asked me if you live around here and him like your energy.
For real? Lie.
You like him too, not true?
I really like.
Maureen, you can't admit say you like the man, you know? Nobody now beat you.
Well, I like him energy too.
Only just meet one another and like on the energy so fast. Me not get it.
When the young people work off of, vibes and testosterone. We big people, we work off of energy and frequency.